Hey everybody, today we are doing a super quick tutorial on this really cute pink and white reindeer set. We are starting off with base coat from Beetles, and I do believe I do 2 coats of this. I work at a pet store full time and I need my nails to be super durable. I don't know if I said it already, but I'm making this set for myself. I always use Beetles base coat and top coat, and I always use 2 coats of each just because I really need super durable nails, and I'm really rough on my nails. And just make sure that's cured all the way. And then I am taking this really cute light pink from Beetles also. I use a lot of Beetles products. And we're putting that on the thumbnail, the ring finger, and the pinky. This is a really easy tutorial for beginners, so just slow it down if you need to. Then you're taking that same pink, and on the middle finger, you're going to go about 1/4 of the way up. And please double coat everything. A full white nail on that pointer finger. And that's Beetles too. Then you're going to take the white and fill in the other part of the middle fingernail. And the line doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to be going over it in a minute. Double coat that, please. All right, and then you're going to do the same thing on the other hand. And like I said, it doesn't need to be perfect because we're going to be going in and doing some art in the middle that will cover it up anyways. All right, now I am taking a light pink, the same light pink from Beetles. No, I'm sorry, it's not the same light pink. This is a lighter shade of pink from Beetles. And you're just going to fill in equal parts on the white and the dark pink, a line. You're going to cure that. And you're going to do that on both hands. If you need 2 coats, please do 2 coats. Now I am taking some pink glitter, and I believe this is by Model Ones. And I use it a lot, so I'm almost out. But thumb and the pinky. Any pink glitter will work. All right, and now I'm taking some black liner gel, and we're painting the ears. And it's just 2 swoops up, or 1 swoop up and 1 swoop down for both ears. And then for the eyes, it's like a triangle, but with one side a little bit longer. And then you're going to dry on some cute little eyelashes. Do them however long you want. To your reindeer. Another triangle on the other side with some eyelashes. This is a little girl reindeer because it's pink. All right, and then when you're happy with that, give it a cure. We're going to do the same thing on the other hand. 2 little swoops. Swoop up, swoop down. And we're going to color in the eyes. Little triangle with one side longer than the other. And then just add your cute little eyelashes. Okay, now we're taking some white and we're going to do little icicles on the thumbnail. So you're just going to line the top of that thumb with some of that white and then just pull down some icicles, some long, some short. Do them however you want. You can make them go farther down the nail than I did if you want to, but I just wanted little icicles. So that's what I did. See, I use my I use my pinky as like a little kickstand. So on the pinky nail, you're going to go all the way around the nail you're just going to outline that nail with the white. And we're going to do like icicles all the way around that nail, just so it's different from the thumb. So I'm just finishing that outline. And then I'm just swooping through some little icicles. Some snowsicles. I don't know if it snowed where y'all are at, but it has not snowed in Utah yet, which is unusual for November. We usually have snow by Halloween. All right, now we're going to take some, this is a silver gel paint from Saveland. You use silver or gold, whatever you want. And we're drawing the antlers. And the first part of the antler, I just had it follow that ear there. And then just kind of did little swoop designs however you want to. Make it look like a cute antler. We do that on both sides. So just follow the outline of the eye for the first line. And then just extend out with the rest of the antlers. It's such a cute little reindeer set, you guys. I was so excited to put it on. Like literally right after I made it, I soaked my nails off and I put these on. Okay, same Saveland. I don't know if I'm saying that brand name right, but whatever. And you're going to outline the lighter pink. Well, you'll see what I'm doing, you guys. I guess I'm not very good at explaining that, but 2 lines. And then we're doing like I'm doing like just like little swoops. You guys can pick whatever design you want. I only filled in about half of the nail of the white part. And I just did cute little swoop designs. Like I said, do whatever you want. Kind of matches the antlers. All right, before this step, I top coated the thumb and the pinky with Beetle's top coat, and then the other 3 with matte coat. And I'm taking the light pink and we're drawing the cute little nose. And I wanted it to be raised. That's why we're doing it after we matte coated it. Okay, now we're taking some of the dark pink and I'm doing, I wish you could see it a little bit better in this video, but we're taking the pink and just doing 2 little sweater lines in there. All the way across the nail. And then I have some clear acrylic. This is Tammy Taylor acrylic. Doesn't matter what kind though. You're going to sprinkle that on, shake off the excess, and give it a cure. Okay, on the ring finger, on about half of the nail, I did another cute little sweater design. You guys can do whatever design you want. You can copy mine. I don't care. I just kind of went with the flow. I picked cat hair out of my brush. I have a lot of cats. And I just did a cute little sweater design. And added some dots in there, I think. Just to fill in the blanks. All right, and when you're happy with that, you're going to take the acrylic again, sprinkle it over it, tap off the excess, make sure it's fully covered, and you're going to give that a cure. All right, I wiped that off with my brush. Then I took some Beetle's nail glue to use to glue my rhinestones on. Started with a large one in the middle, 2 medium ones, and 2 small ones. And you're just doing that on that same diagonal line that I made for my sweater now, leaving the bottom half matte pink. When you're happy with that placement, give it a cure. All right, here's me applying that Beetle's nail glue. And I actually got this nail glue in a Gel X kit, but I find it works really well for rhinestones. So that's what I'm using. And again, a large one in the middle, 2 medium ones, 2 small ones. Diagonally across the sweater now. Super cute. I'm so excited to wear this set. All right, when you're happy with that, give it a cure. Then I took some little teeny micro beads, and I got these off of Temu, and I got 3 wheels of them. I don't remember how much they cost, but I did a mini Temu haul video, so if you're curious about that, you can go back and look at that. And I took 3 little micro beads and just filled in the little corner empty pieces between the rhinestones. And it made all the difference. It looked so cute after I added all the little caviar beads. And these are little baby little mini ones. So they were kind of hard to move into place, but I just used my brush. I find on caviar beads, my liner brush works better than the wax picker-upper tool. I just feel like I can move them around a little bit better with my brush. So that's what I use with caviar beads. Takes me a little bit to get them where I wanted them, didn't it? Okay, once you get it where you want it, you're going to give that a really good cure. I went back and re-top coated where the gems were. This is your final product. And this is me wearing them. I wore them at work all day today. Didn't lose a single nail. And I absolutely love them. Bye.